Hi there, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to convert a PSD web template into WordPress theme. So this tutorial will be helpful if you wanted to learn more about web design and WordPress theme development, and even if you wanted to create your website without any coding skill, then you can continue this tutorials, because in this tutorials I'm going to show you how you can draw this without any coding skills. So I hope you enjoy this tutorial. So I have selected this template, Fury PSD web template for food business, and I like to show you the full process how I can make a website following this PSD file. And I have already downloaded this template, so I'm going to create a new folder. So my folder name is PSD to WordPress. Okay, so let me put my downloaded file at here. So I have downloaded two files, two PSD files. Going to cart both files and keep them in my folder. Okay, Fury, this one, and another I have also downloaded another PSD file called breakfast restaurant. So I like to share both file with you so that we can compare which one is best for us. So I'm going to extract here. Okay, also going to extract this template. Now I'm going to open this template first, this one, Fury PSD template for food business. Will work in this template, and here is another template that I have downloaded. So I like to check this one also. This one, I think this one looks more good than previous one. It has advanced type, some section, so I think we should work in this template, and it's help us to make our website more professional. So I'm going to skip this one, and I fixed this one to start our design. Okay, so first of all we need to make ready our WordPress to start working. So I'm going to create a first of all I want to add a font in my desktop so that I can work very professionally. So I'm going to Google font, and I like to find this font. SN Roman. Okay, so this font is not available in Google Fonts, so no problem, I'm going to skip this part. So first going to my local host, now going to local host, in my dashboard, then we will add Elementor plugins, then we start working to convert this template. Login with my username and password. Now going to add a new theme that's called Hello theme. Going to active this theme. Okay, we have activated this theme. Now we have to add to plugin. So our plugin is one is Elementor and another is Elementor Kit Lights, Elements Kit Lights. So I have already installed this plugin, just need to active both the plugin to start our design. So I think you don't skip this video if you like to learn this website design from yourself, then you will continue without any skipping, because you have to be patient. So I am going to update my Elementor, so it's taking a little bit time. Okay, we have updated Elementor and Elements Kit Lite. Now going to active this one. And again going to active Elements Kit Lights for header and footer. Okay, so now we'll create a page name home page. Or we can make a page welcome, because I have already other page name home. So going to click on the publish. My page name is welcome because I like to make this page in the setting as a home page. So going to click on the setting and then reading. Now select welcome page. Okay, now going to visit my website. And there is nothing, because we have to design our website from sketch. So I'm going to open my welcome page. welcome page is a front page, so going to click on the edit button. Now going to click on the edit with Elementor. Then going to click on the setting right here, then select page layout as a Elementor full width, and we also hide page title from here. Page title height, then click on the update. So okay, so we have added page. Now we need to design header and footer following this PSD file. First of all, I'm going to settings of Elementors, then we have to settings this full website. For example, I'm going to click on the style, then we have to fix the content width. By default it is 1140 pixel, but I want to make it fully pixel perfect, so I'm going to find the actual size of this page, and I see this page size is 4400. So I'm going to change this size following bootstrap. Okay, so I have made this default size bootstrap 1170 pixel, and now it will be fully pixel perfect. Okay, going to click on the save change. Okay, we have setting up our page. Now first of all we should work on our menu bar or header section. So I'm going to click on the Elementor Elements Kit header footer button. So going to deactivate default header because I like to create another new header and footer section. So going to click on the add new, type header, title will be our new header, or we can give any different type of name. So I'm going to put the title name restaurant header, because this one for restaurant website, and condition entry site. Going to click on the save, and going to make this one active and save change. So we have activate new header. Now we have to set up our header. So before setting up our header part, we need to set up a menu. So I am going to visit the menu section, then we'll create a new menu. and our menu item will be following this name: home, about, menus, uppers, galleries, contract, and blog. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So I will create a new menu first to everything make accuracy following my page template. So I am in the menu page and going to click on the create a new menu button. Let me load this full page. So I'm going to create on the new menu button. So our new menu button will be restaurant menu, and click on the create menu button. Now I have to add menu, so I'm going to add some custom link: home, and let me follow all the menu: home, about, menus, offer. So we have created our menu. Now we can easily edit our header or design our header as our requirement. So going to click on the edit header, and now going to crop our logo. So just select this logo, and type on the alter button of the keyboard and click on this eye icon. Okay, and now going to click on the image, then select trim, click on the OK. So here is my logo. So just going to save this logo as a PNG format. Going to click on the save, then select this folder, add a new folder, images, and save this logo in the images folder. Logo name is logo. Okay, so now I'm ready to start design our header. So first of all, going to click on the add a new section, fluid, add nav menu, select this one, okay. So center menu, restaurant menu, select and choose logo. So going to upload logo, images, my logo. Click on the insert media. Okay, we have added this logo. And we have to make this logo in the center, and before that I am going to add the slider section. Then we can make this section more beautiful. So I'm going to save the background image. Okay, get this one. So I'm going to save this image. So I'm going to save this image. And save this image as JPG format. Slider busy. So we have to work in our home page right now. Okay, so I'm going to add a new section, name, add background image, and in the background image I will add this image. Okay, so I have added this image, and now I have to make this content with full width and height fit to skin. Okay, and column gap no gap. And now changing the background position center, and background size no repeat, background size cover. Perfect. And now I have to add the shadow, this shadow. So I'm going to copy this shadow color, opacity. So that's why I'm going to click on the background overlay, type color is this one, looks good, and I like to make it more dark, 6. Okay, I think I should make it more dark. Okay, okay. So now we need to add this image. Okay, now going to save this image. We have to save this as PNG. Slider image. Okay, now going to add a new section right here, new column, and add image here, image, and in the image I am going to upload this image. Okay, so what is the next? Let me follow my PSD file. Then we have to add content, copy, content, then copy this content, description, and then a new button, contact us. Contact us button. So going to click on here, add button, right here, name contact us, font color this one, text color. Okay, and background color, this one, background color. Okay, looks good. And we need to make this button size a little bit large, so I'm going to click on the medium. Okay, and now we have to change color, font size. So click on here, separator, height, title color, this one, title color, then text description color is white. Okay, and now we have to change the font, so I like to use slant, and font size will be this one, and here is the same. Roboto, font size okay, and now I have to do another things. I have to make this vertical align in the middle and make this layout box set. So if I make this layout boxes, let's look a little bit ugly, so I'm just going to add a padding on this heading section. So I'm going to add padding on the right, okay. So now I think it looks a little bit perfect or more good. So we have to do a lot of work on this PSD file to make this following the pixel perfect, because right now I am not adding anything with pixel perfect. I am just showing how we can follow and make. So what is the next? Let me follow. So in the next is about us section. So I'm going to add another section called about us, and this background is it. So I'm going to add a new section, background color, and padding. Okay, then we'll add image here following this PSD file. Temp going to save. Format will be right now JPG. Save as about. I'm going to add image right here, so I'm going to just drag and drop. And add image. This is the image that I wanted to add right here. Insert media. Perfect. And we need to add content here. About us. Description. Color white. Color white. Typography. Excellent. 24. Okay. Laura. Roboto. Okay, it looks more good. Font size. Perfect. Line height. Okay. Letter spacing. Separate color. So I'm going to add a separate color. This one. Nice. And okay, now I think it looks very good. and I need to make this element in the vertical middle. Add new section, image, padding left. Perfect. So we have designed this part very professionally, and we are going to fix our menu section right now. So let me check our home page before that. On the home page look like this. So I want to fix my menu section right now, so I'm going to hide title, do this to hide this title. Okay, so now I have to work on the menu. So first of all, I'm going to add a new class. So my menu class will be restaurant header. This is my menu class, and I'm going to remove the background. White. Okay, this is my background. Now making the main menu center and add a new logo at the top. Logo center, and remove this logo. Okay, so now going to click on the update, and now I have to add this class in the customize section. I have to go to the custom CSS edit section to do this. Okay, now going to add this class right here and click on the save. Now we are ready to make our header section, write our PSD file like so. So I'm going to refresh. And going to click on the inspect element, and inspect this section. I have to find out my class from here. So my class name was actually I have to add this class at the section, not in the menu. So going to click on add this on the section, then click on the update. Now I can find this class at here. Here is my class, looks here. Look at my mouse. So now I will fix this menu. So first of all, going to make this position absolute with 100%. Okay, copy this code. Okay, so now going to header section, and we have to change the color of nav button. So item color is white, for example. Right now keep it same, and typography text turns from uppercase, font family Ausland, line height 1.5 or 2, .24, font size okay. Now going to change the color, white, update. Now the menu looks good, and we need to add our logo also. So but we added our logo but don't displaying here right now, so we have to fix this problem. Widget, logo does not displaying. Let me add jet index, position relative. Okay, so now logo displaying right here. So I think it's look good, but I can make this like so if I want. So it is not any hard job, just we need to do a little bit technique. So what I have to do, let me show you. So I'm going to header section, delete this part, edit name, just add a color so that I can understand, and then make this section full width, and add new section, add new column, another column. Okay, so now I just add logo right here, logo, center, and add another menu right here. I'm doing this just to show you how you can do this. So for example, main menu, we just add two menu right here, then we can make as our requirement. So but you can make a menu for 4 item right here and 3 item right here, then it will show you in the center. So I hope you understand that. So I'm not going to do this. I think it looks perfect. So in the next tutorial I will show you how to make this menu bar sticky menu, or keep this in the center and do others work. And I want to do more part of this tutorials continuously. So now we have to work on very important part. So let me find out how we can do this. Okay, this is very complex part we have to do. Add this background in the section, then we have to add two images into site and add another image right here. So let me show you how we can do this. And this is very complex type background, and to do this we sometimes need premium plugin or premium extension like Elementor Pro. By the way, I'm going to try to do this. So I'm going to add a new section, this one. Now going to add box, content, image. So add two box here the content, and first I just taking space, then duplicate this one, and in here I just add another image, because first we need to make a shape. Okay, padding, okay. So now we have to add background, something like this one. So I'm going to copy this background color, or we can in different type. First of all, going to make a background color this one, So my section background color this, and background image going to add this as an image, temp converting color, okay. Now going to save this image as PNG format. We have to select PNG from here and click on the save, then type a name, shape busy, okay. Now going to add this background image here, insert media, wow, we are going to the right tech. Okay, so first I need to make this full width or first of all we need to make this with 100% or layout full width. Let me check. Okay, so there will be no gap, no gap, and here we will add another column. One is for content, one is for images, and content element will be middle, again going to duplicate, okay. So for design purpose I just adding image in everywhere, duplicate, add this right here, add another one right here, and delete this one, delete this one. Okay, we are going to in the right track. Then click on here, click on style, background position center, background fixed or default, no repeat, background size cover. So now we need to make padding in the both section. For example, I want to add padding on here, padding button or even more, and image position right. Okay, in the same way I can make this, changing this image padding or other section. I just make this shape as my requirement. So I hope this technique will be helpful for you. So now you can make shape or design shape like this one. If I use this image, then it looks exactly look like. So we need a little bit more time to make everything pixel perfect following as our PSD file. So we have to be patient and give more time to make everything accurately or accuracy. So in the next tutorial I will work others work of this video. So if you like this video, then subscribe to my channel, and if you need any more help relevant website design, web development, e-commerce business site design, or anything relevant with WordPress, then you can contact with me. I am a full-time freelancer and I work as a freelance web developer. So thank you for your time. Don't forget to share your comment and like this video. Thank you.